What's up YouTube, Jeff back again. Today I'm continuing my coverage of the Galaxy S10 and the S10 Plus. Now today I want to talk about something pretty cool that you guys have probably seen before in the Android community, and that is the totally transparent mod that my good friend Jerry Rig Everything does with pretty much every flagship phone. If you've seen the thumbnail, a couple other people have attempted as well. It's very cool. Basically makes the back of the phone completely transparent. But there's a couple problems with this. Even though it looks really cool, you also void your warranty, you run the risk of no longer having a water-resistant phone, and things like that. So I really like the transparent effect, but I don't really want to put my phone at risk for all of those sorts of issues. Well, today I sort of have a solution. If you want to see what's on the inside of your phone and show off the transparent effect, you can do so thanks to my good friends over at iFixit. You guys know iFixit. They do teardowns on the Galaxy S10, S10 Plus, the S10e. They did the whole family, sort of show you how easy it is to repair the phones. And for the Galaxy S10, it's not that easy. I'll drop the link below to their blog post if you want to check it out. But the main thing that we're interested in this video are these nice teardown wallpapers that iFixit has shared. So you can see right here, Galaxy S10 teardown wallpaper, Galaxy S10 Plus, and the Galaxy S10e. So basically, if you set this on your phone as a wallpaper, it'll be like looking directly into your phone through the front display. So obviously it won't be quite as nice as having a back being completely clear, but it is a very cool effect and something that'll get a lot of attention as a wallpaper. So I'll go ahead and show you guys what it looks like on my Galaxy S10 Plus. I already downloaded the wallpaper earlier, have it here in my gallery. So I'm gonna go ahead and set the lock screen and the home screen. Now one thing that you'll notice is it does look a little strange in that it might not be the most functional because it's hard to read your notifications and things, but it looks really clean on the lock screen. So you can see I actually got rid of the time and everything like that on the front of the lock screen. And the way I got rid of the time and everything is by using Samsung's Good Lock app and using Lockstar. So I set the style so that I removed literally everything. When you go in to set a custom style, down here at the bottom where you go to item visibility, you can remove the clock, remove the notifications, remove the status bar, and then it won't show anything on the lock screen. So if you're interested in getting this sort of look where it's fully transparent on the front, you won't see anything, as you guys can see right there, except sort of looking directly into your phone. Now, do I recommend using this as the wallpaper on your home screen? Probably not, because of the issues I mentioned. It's really hard to read the time, the Wi-Fi indicator, your notifications, battery percentage, but overall I think this is really cool. It also sort of hides the camera cutout in some way, just like those other wallpapers that I showed out, because it definitely blends in, right? Because this is the camera module right there at the top of the phone. So that's also another option for doing that as well. So something I think was really cool, I just wanted to show it off. I also linked everything below if you guys want to try this out. Also works on the Galaxy S10, the Galaxy S10e. I'll have a lot more videos coming this weekend. Comparison to the Mate 20 Pro, some more battery reviews, some more case reviews as well. Let me know what you guys want to see in the comments below. You can follow me at Twitter, Google+, Instagram, at the links in the description. Like, comment, subscribe if you enjoyed the video so I can make future videos like this. And I'll definitely see you guys in the next one. Thanks a lot for watching.